Hey.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Lala Living here. So for today's video, I will be showing you exactly how I achieve this look. This is my everyday makeup, so we're gonna see exactly how I achieve it. Please remember, you guys, that all the products I use will be down in the description below, right next to the subscribe button and the like button. So I'm just saying, you guys, I'm just saying, you might wanna do that. So anyway, you guys, let's get straight into this video. Okay, I did go ahead off cameras and I did my eyebrows. I used a dark brown eyebrow pencil or like liner, whatever you use it for, and I used these two concealers. One is LA Girl and one is Just a Kiss, but I used the color Chestnut and Fawn and I mixed it together, and that's how I concealed under my eyebrows. For the top of my eyebrows, I just used this foundation stick, and this is from Black Opal in the color Black Walnut, and I love this product. It just blends into my skin really well. So this was what I used to do the top part of my eyebrows, and now we could get into the good stuff. Before I did my eyebrows, I applied my serum on my face, and this is just my everyday facial serum. So I used this and I applied it all over my face. After that, I went in with my Neutrogena moisturizer just to moisturize my face. So the first thing I'll be using is my NYX First Base primer spray, and I just shake it up a bit and put it on my face. I'm gonna let it dry some. This is just what I use to prime my face. I know some people use the creams, but I just love using the sprays. They're so easy. You just spray it on, wait for it to dry, and you move on. Okay, so now that it's dry, I'm gonna go in with my NYX foundation, and this is the SMF 19 color, the cacao. And let me tell you, this foundation is everything for me. This is like a second skin, and I say this every time because it truly is, and you guys are gonna see that. So I'm just gonna place it all over my face. Just like that. Then taking my beauty blender with my NYX Dewy Setting Spray, I'm just going to blend it in. And I always use a not wet, but a damp beauty blender just to put in my products. I want to get down to the neck. And as you guys can see, look at this. It does not even look like I'm wearing foundation. It blends in so well. Like, I love this NYX foundation. NYX, you need to sponsor me because I'm putting people on with this foundation. It's amazing, especially for my skin tone. So after applying my foundation, I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this is just the Fawn. You can use LA Girl or whatever brand. Sometimes I use LA Girl, sometimes I use this Kiss brand. I got it right from my drugstore. I'm just gonna put it on certain spots. The bridge of my nose, my forehead. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender, making sure it's always damp, and I'm just gonna blend this. I'm just gonna get right here also, make sure my nose is really blended. I'm gonna spread it out on my forehead a bit. And if you watched my other video where I actually did my makeup with no mirror, trust me, it turned out crazy. It wasn't horrible, but it wasn't amazing either. But this is looking pretty blended. And see, the color works really good for my skin. I love it. Now I'm going to use this palette. This is the True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, medium to dark complexion. I'm just going to open it up, and I just like to spray the contour part because that's what I'm going to be using. And I use a damp brush. All my brushes are always damp. It makes the application so much easier. And I'm just going to do a kissy face and contour the sides of my face. That noise. And you never want to bring it all the way down. I just do it right up in here, not all the way down. I'm going to go around here just to blend it out. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender just to get it even more blended, and I just go around. That's it. I take another brush, making sure it's damp, and I'm going to use the same contour shade from this palette. As you can see, I need a new one. I use this every day. And I'm just going to do the bridge of my nose. I want to bring it up and into my eyebrows a bit. Okay, now my eyebrows are contoured. Well, my nose is contoured now. So that's it with this palette. I just got this setting spray from the beauty supply store too because I'm really just trying to focus more on my makeup, so it didn't make sense buying really expensive products. Most of my products are really affordable, but this is the setting spray that I got. It's in the brand Kiss 2, and it's a Pro Touch setting spray. And look what it says in the middle there. It says be your own pro. That's what I'm about to do. Like, I'm about to be my own pro. This part is kind of new to me. I never really use setting powder, so we're gonna see how this goes. But just gonna right here. Just gonna blend it out more, and I'm patting it down, not rubbing it. I could set my eye too. I'm going to use a brush, a dry brush, just to my nose a bit, because I did. That's not all that straight, but it'll be fine. Now I'm going to just go in with this brush, and I'm just going to remove the excess. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX powder. I'm just going to really get it in. I put my powder everywhere. So I do put on lashes every day, so I'm going to just line my lashes with the NYX Epic gel liner. Okay, now I did my wing as best as I could. I'm going to go in now and I'm going to put on my lashes. These are just some regular lashes that I got from the drugstore also. And I use hair glue to apply my lashes. when applying the lash glue, you always want to give the glue some time to dry. You want it to get a bit tacky so that when you put it on, it just sticks and it's not like being extremely messy and just giving you trouble. So I find it sometimes, and I also blow. And then I go in for the kill. After the eyeliner, I like to just put on some mascara just to give my real lashes some type of volume. Now I'm going to apply my lashes off camera because it's just really hard for me to do on camera. But if you guys are interested in actually wanting to see me put it on, just let me know and I can also do an application video. So now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, and I'll be using my MAC Gold Deposit. I just use like this fan brush, tap a little bit. I could see a little bit of the powder. Perfect. So yeah, I just highlight. Just right above the contour. Then I'm also going to highlight the bridge of my nose. I just go up and down. Just a little more. I want to be extra today. And above my lip. Okay. Sometimes I put a little bit by my brow, just the excess, and that's everything. So once I did that, I'm gonna go in now with my mascara again just to do my bottom lashes. I love to see bottom lashes, so I put a lot of mascara on it. Now I'm gonna go in with my gel liner again, and I just create some beauty molds. One there. And one here. I naturally have a mole there, but it gets covered up with all the makeup, so I just put it right back. And my face is finished, but I'm gonna go ahead with the Dewy Finish from NYX. I'm just gonna spray my face. You can never have enough. And this is it. This is my everyday makeup routine. Comment below if you like it. Let me know. Like I said, this foundation is everything. It's like a second skin. You can't tell really that I'm wearing makeup. A lot of people ask me if I'm wearing makeup, so I think that's really good when I'm doing a natural look. And if you guys are interested in my eyebrows, let me know. I can always do a video showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. And now it's time to go on to the lips. So for my lips, what I use is either my NYX liner in Subversive Socialite, or I would use my MAC Currant color, and I just line my lips. And after I line my lips, I just rub it a little bit just to bring it in. Then I go in with this NYX Lingerie lip gloss, and this is the color French Maid. I just do a few dabs. Then I take some gloss. Just to make it glossy. And this right here is the look. This is my everyday makeup look, you guys. Tell me if you like it. Comment below, like this video, you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this routine. Let me know if you want more tutorials with me probably using like eyeshadow, because I am going to start using that more. So just let me know everything about how you felt about this video. Comment below if you enjoyed it, and just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, if it was informative for you guys. I will link down the products that I use below, so if you have any questions, please look below and you will see the products I use. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. Do not forget to like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I'm just giving out lots of good videos and you want to be a part of this team. Like, we're winning over here.